Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can have more preset outfits in Heartopia, like how you can have more space for it. So basically, when you've reached a certain point, I don't remember when I got it, but if you go to dress up, you'll see you're able to save an outfit here. Right now, I have two custom sets, but if you have 10 and you want more space, you're able to actually purchase it from Ka Ching. So if you go to Ka Ching here, go to general store and you'll see preset outfit expansion. So I think I'm gonna get this because it's 60% off right now. Oh my gosh, I'm not going to get that much. I'll get like one. But basically, I think you get one extra. Let's actually see. So go to dress up. Yeah, you get one extra. So one added set, like added space to your set would be 10 stars. Well, it's actually 25, but right now it's on sale anyways. So yeah, that is pretty much how you can like get more space for your custom set. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.